Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can make the mopping picture in Capcut PC. So for instance, I'm going to select the background and I'm going to select picture that I want to add as an overlay. So I'm going to remove the background, cut out, chroma key, select color picker, constraint and set out this. I'm going to make it moving, make it move. So how to, you can go to basic, select position and size, and in the right you can find the keyframe button. Just click on it and make sure and first frame, and you can swipe to the right and move the object, resize. You can swipe to the right again, move the object again, resize, and do as before. Right, size again until finish the video. Move. So this is the final effect you have on your video. Alright, that's it. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.